welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you change your username in Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change the username, you just simply have to open your Bitget application, and after opening the application, tap to this dotted icon into the top left corner. Just simply tap there and select your profile from this section. After selecting the profile, you will get this option of username below display name. Now just simply select the option of username, and after selecting the username, you can check or read all these instructions about username. It says you can only change your username 3 times in a year. So try reading all these notes about username and then just simply erase your current username from this section. And after that, just simply enter a new username that you would like to set and tap to confirm, and this way you can very easily change your username in Bitget. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.